Good morning students, myself P. Tirupati, lecturer in mathematics, SRR Arts and Science College, Karimnagar. Okay. Okay, today practical problem 1. P1 and practical 1. Use the bisection method to find P3 for f of x is equal to root x minus cos x on closed interval 0, 1. ఇక్కడ P3 అన్నాడు కదా, ఇక్కడ P3 అన్నాడు కాబట్టి ఇటరేషన్ 3 వరకు అంతే. ఇక్కడ వాల్యూ రిపీటేషన్ తోటి మనకు సంబంధం లేదు. ఓకే, అంటే వాల్యూ అనేది రిపీట్ కావచ్చు కాకపోవచ్చు. ఓకే, గివెన్ ఫంక్షన్ ఈస్ f of x is equal to root x minus cos x closed interval 0, 1. Let a1 is equal to 0 and b1 is equal to 1. Next, find out f of a1 and f of b1. f of a1 is equal to a1 అంటే 0, f of 0 is equal to square root of 0 minus cos 0 is equal to square root of 0 అంటే 0 minus cos 0 అంటే 1. 0 minus 1 is equal to minus 1. This is less than 0. f of b1 is equal to f of 1 is equal to root 1 minus cos 1 is equal to root 1 అంటే 1 minus cos 1 అంటే క్యాల్సీలో తీసుకోండి, దాని నుంచి మీకు ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది. అది సింప్లిఫై చేస్తే 0.4597. దిస్ ఈజ్ గ్రేటర్ దాన్ 0. క్యాల్సీలో సైన్ కాదులు వచ్చినప్పుడు రేడియన్లో తీసుకోవాలి. ఓకే, ఇటరేషన్ 1. ఫార్ములాలో n = 1 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయండి. p1 is equal to a1 plus b1/2 అంటే 0 plus 1/2 equals to 0.5. Next, find out f of p1. f of p1 is equal to f of 0.5 is equal to square root of 0.5 minus cos of 0.5 is equal to, ఇది మొత్తం సింప్లిఫై చేస్తే మనకు 0.1705. దిస్ ఈజ్ లెస్ దాన్ 0. సిన్స్ f of p1 less than 0 and f of a1 less than 0, the root lies in the interval p1, p1. That is a2 is equal to p1 is equal to 0.5 and b2 is equal to b1 is equal to 1. Next, iteration 2. p2 is equal to a2 plus b2/2 is equal to 0.5 plus 1/2 equals to 0.75. Next, f of p2 is equal to f of 0.75 is equal to square root of 0.75 minus cos of 0.75. ఇది మొత్తం సింప్లిఫై చేస్తే మనకు ఆన్సర్ ఎంత వస్తుందంటే 0.6337. దిస్ ఈజ్ గ్రేటర్ దాన్ 0. Since f of p2 greater than 0 and f of a2 less than 0, the root lies in the interval a2, p2. That is a3 is equal to a2 equals to 0.5 and b3 is equal to p2 is equal to 0.75. Iteration 3. p3 equals to a3 plus b3/2 is equal to 0.5 plus 0.75/2 is equal to 0.625. Therefore, p3 is equal to 0.625. ఇక్కడ వాల్యూ రిపీట్ కాలేదు కానీ ఇక్కడ మనకు రిపిటేషన్తో పని లేదు. క్వశ్చన్ ఏమన్నాడంటే యూజ్ ద బైసెక్షన్ మెథడ్ టు ఫైండ్ p3 ఫర్ f of x ఈక్వల్స్ టు రూట్ x మైనస్ కాస్ x. ఓకే, రిపిటేషన్తో పని లేదు. నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం p2 అంటే ప్రాక్టికల్ 2. Let f of x is equal to 3 into x plus 1 into x minus 1/2 into x minus 1. Use the bisection method on the following intervals to find p3. ఇందులో ఏ బిట్ వచ్చేసి క్లోజ్ ఇంటర్వల్ -2, 1.5. b bit -1.25, 2.5. Given function is f of x is equal to 3 into x plus 1 into x minus 1/2 into x minus 1. ఇక్కడ ఇంటర్వల్ ఏంటి -2, 1.5. మనకు వచ్చే ఆన్సర్ కూడా వీటి మధ్యన వస్తుంది చూడండి. ఇక్కడ కూడా రిపిటేషన్తో పని లేదు, ఎందుకంటే P3 అన్నాడు అంతే, సేమ్ ఇంతకుముందు లాగా చేయాలి. సొల్యూషన్ ఏ అంటే గివెన్ ఫంక్షన్ ఈజ్ f of x is equal to 3 into x plus 1 into x minus 1 by 2 into x minus 1 minus 2 comma 1.5. Let a1 is equal to minus 2 and b1 is equal to 1.5. Find out f of a1 and f of b1. F of a1 is equal to f of minus 2 equals to 3 into minus 2 plus 1 into minus 2 minus 1 by 2 into minus 2 minus 1. ఇది మొత్తం సింప్లిఫై చేస్తే మనకు -22.5 వస్తుంది. దిస్ ఈజ్ లెస్ దాన్ 0. f of b1 is equal to f of 1.5 is equal to 3 into 1.5 plus 1 into 1.5 minus 1 by 2 into 1.5 minus 1. ఇది మొత్తం సింప్లిఫై చేస్తే 3.75 వస్తుంది. దిస్ ఈజ్ గ్రేటర్ దాన్ 0. ఫాస్ట్ ఇటరేషన్ ఫార్ములాలో n equals to 1 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయండి. p1 is equal to a1 plus b1 by 2 అంటే -2 plus 1.5 by 2 is equal to 0.25. Next, find out f of p1. F of p1 is equal to f of minus 0.25 is equal to 3 into minus 0.25 plus 1 into minus 0.25 minus 1 by 2 into minus 0.25 minus 1. ఇది మొత్తం సింప్లిఫై చేస్తే 2.10937. దిస్ ఈజ్ గ్రేటర్ దెన్ 0. సిన్స్ ఇక్కడ therefore అని రాసిన సిన్స్ అంటారు. f of p1 గ్రేటర్ దెన్ 0 అండ్ f of a1 లెస్ దెన్ 0. ద రూట్ లైస్ ఇన్ ద ఇంటర్వల్ a1 comma p1. That is a2 is equal to a1 is equal to -2 and b2 is equal to p1 equals to -0.25. Second iteration, p2 is equal to -2 minus 0.25 by 2 is equal to -1.125. f of p2 is equal to f of -1.125 is equal to 3 into -1.125 plus 1 into -1.25 minus 1 by 2 into -1.125 minus 1 is equal to -1.2949. This is less than 0. Since f of p2 less than 0 and f of a2 less than 0, the root lies in the interval p2 comma b2. That is a3 is equal to p2 is equal to -1.125 and b3 is equal to b2 is equal to -0.25. Third iteration, p3 is equal to a3 plus b3 by 2 is equal to -1.125 minus 0.25 by 2 is equal to -0.6875. Therefore p3 is equal to -0.6875. Next, solution B. Given function is f of x is equal to 3 into x plus 1 into x minus 1 by 2 into x minus 1. Interval వచ్చేసి -1.25 comma 2.5. Let a1 is equal to -1.25 and b1 is equal to 2.5. Find out f of a1 and f of b1. f of a1 is equal to f of -1.25 is equal to 3 into -1.25 minus 1 into -1.25 minus 1 by 2 into -1.25 minus 1. ఇది మొత్తం సింప్లిఫై చేస్తే మీకు -2.9531 వస్తుంది. దిస్ ఈజ్ లెస్ దాన్ 0. f of b1 is equal to f of 2.5 is equal to 3 into 2.5 plus 1 into 2.5 minus 1 by 2 into 2.5 minus 1 is equal to 31.5. This is greater than 0. Fast iteration, p1 is equal to a1 plus b1 by 2 and -1.25 plus 2.5 by 2 is equal to 0.625. f of p1 is equal to f of 0.625 is equal to 3 into 0.625 plus 1 into 0.625 minus 1 by 2 into 0.625 minus 1. ఇది మొత్తం సింప్లిఫై చేస్తే మనకి మైనస్ 0.2285 వస్తుంది. దిస్ ఈజ్ లెస్ దాన్ 0. సిన్స్ f of p1 less than 0 and f of a1 less than 0, the root lies in the interval p1 comma b1. That is a2 is equal to p1 is equal to 0.625 and b2 is equal to b1 is equal to 2.5. Second iteration, p2 is equal to a2 plus b2 by 2 is equal to 0.625 plus 2.5 by 2 is equal to 1.5625. f of p2 is equal to f of 1.5625 is equal to 3 into 1.5625 plus 1 into 1.5625 minus 1 by 2 into 1.5625 minus 1. ఇది మొత్తం సింప్లిఫై చేస్తే 4.5945. దిస్ ఈజ్ గ్రేటర్ దాన్ 0. Since f of p2 greater than 0 and f of a2 less than 0, the root lies in the interval a2 comma p2. That is a3 is equal to a2 is equal to 0.625 and b3 is equal to p2 is equal to 1.5625. Third iteration, p3 is equal to 0.625 plus 1.5625 by 2 is equal to 1.0938. Therefore p3 is equal to 1.0938. Okay, next problem. దీని p3 అంటే ప్రాక్టికల్ ప్రాబ్లం 3. యూజ్ ద బైసెక్షన్ మెథడ్ to find solutions accurate to within 10 power minus 5 for the following problems. A bit to x minus 2 power minus x is equal to 0 for 0 less than or equals to x less than or equals to 1. For 0 less than or equals to x less than or equals to 1 అన్న క్లోజ్ ఇంటర్వల్ 0, 1 అన్న ఒకటి. b bit to e power x minus x square plus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. For 0 less than or equals to x less than or equals to 1, c bit to 2x cos 2x minus x plus 1 whole square is equal to 0. For minus 3 less than or equals to x less than or equals to minus 2 and minus 1 less than or equals to x less than or equals to 0. Okay. Solution A. x minus 2 power minus x equals to 0 for 0 less than or equals to x less than or equals to 1. Given function is f of x equals to x minus 2 power minus x close interval 0, 1. ఇక్కడ క్వశ్చన్లో 10 power minus 5 అంటే పాయింట్ తర్వాత 5 digits రిపీట్ కావాలి. Let a1 equals to 0 and b1 equals to 1. f of a1 is equal to f of 0 equals to 0 minus 2 power minus 0 is equal to minus 1 less than 0. b1 f of b1 is equal to f of 1 is equal to 1 minus 2 power minus 1 is equal to 0.5. This is greater than 0. First iteration, p1 is equal to 0 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 0.5. f of p1 is equal to f of 0.5 is equal to 0.5 minus 2 power minus 0.5. ఇది మొత్తం సింప్లిఫై చేస్తే is equal to minus 0.2071068. This is less than 0. Since f of p1 less than 0 and f of a1 less than 0, the root lies in the interval p1 comma b1. That is a2 is equal to p1 is equal to 0.5 and b2 is equal to b1 equals to 1. Second iteration, p2 is equal to 0.5 plus 1 by 2. Second iteration, p2 is equal to 0.5 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 0.75. f of p2 is equal to f of 0.75 is equal to 0.75 minus 2 power minus 0.75 is equal to 0.1553964. This is greater than 0. Since f of p2 greater than 0 and f of a2 less than 0, the root lies in the interval a2 comma p2. That is a3 is equal to a2 equals to 0.5 and b3 is equal to p2 equals to 0.75. Third iteration, p3 is equal to 0.5 plus 0.75 by 2 is equal to 0.625. F of P3 is equal to f of 0.625 is equal to 0.625 minus 2 power minus 0.625. ఇది సింప్లిఫై చేస్తే minus 0.0234198. This is less than 0. Since f of P3 less than 0 and f of A3 less than 0, the root lies in the interval P3, B3. That is, A4 is equal to P3 is equal to 0.625 and B4 is equal to B3 is equal to 0.75. Next iteration 4. P4 is equal to iteration 4. P4 is equal to 0.625 plus 0.75 by 2 is equal to 0.6875. F of P4 is equal to value ఇంకా రిపీట్ కావట్లేదు. F of 0.6875 is equal to minus 0.6875 minus 2 power minus 0.6875 is equal to 0.0665711. This is greater than 0. Okay, since f of P4 greater than 0 and f of A4 less than 0, the root lies in the interval A4 comma P4. That is, A5 is equal to A4 is equal to 0.625 and B5 is equal to P4 is equal to 0.6875. Fifth iteration, P5 is equal to 0.625 plus 0.6875 by 2 is equal to 0.65625. 0.ఒకటే డిజిట్ రిపీట్ అయింది మనకు. f of P5 is equal to f of 0.65625 is equal to 0.65625 minus 2 power minus 0.65625 is equal to 0.217245. This is greater than 0. Since f of P5 greater than 0 and f of A5 less than 0, the root lies in the interval A5 comma P5. That is, A6 is equal to A5 is equal to 0.625 and P6 equals to P5 is equal to 0.65625. Sixth iteration, P6 is equal to 0.625 plus 0.65625 by 2 is equal to 0.6406250. F of P6 is equal to f of 0.6406250 is equal to, ఇది మొత్తం సింప్లిఫై చేస్తే మనకు ఎంత వస్తుంది అంటే minus 0.308100. This is less than 0. Since f of P6 less than 0 and f of A6 less than 0, the root lies in the interval P6 comma P6. That is, A7 is equal to P6 is equal to 0.640650 and B7 is equal to B6 is equal to 0.65625. Seventh iteration, P7 is equal to మొత్తం 17 ఇటరేషన్స్ ఉన్నాయి. Okay, P7 is equal to 0.640650 plus 0.65625 by 2 is equal to, మొత్తం సింప్లిఫై చేస్తే 0.6484375. f of P7 is equal to 0.0104666 greater than 0. Since f of P7 greater than 0 and f of A7 less than 0, the root lies in the interval A7 comma B7. That is, A8 is equal to A7 is equal to 0.640650 and B8 is equal to P7 is equal to 6484375. Eighth iteration P8 is equal to 0.640625 plus 0.6484375 by 2 is equal to 0.6445313. F of P6 is equal f of P8 is equal to f of 0.6445313 is equal to 0.6445313 minus 2 power minus 0.6445313. మొత్తం సింప్లిఫై చేస్తే 0.0048307. This is greater than 0 since f of P8 greater than 0 and f of A8 less than 0. The root lies in the interval A8 comma P8. That is A9 is equal to A8 is equal to 0.640625 and B9 is equal to B8 is equal to 0.6445313. Ninth iteration P9 is equal to 0.640625 plus 0.6445313 by 2 is equal to 0.642572. F of P9 is equal to f of 0.6425782 is equal to 0.6425782 minus 2 power minus 0.6425782. ఇది మొత్తం సింప్లిఫై చేస్తే 0.0020110. This is greater than 0 since f of P9 greater than 0 and f of A9 less than 0. The root lies in the interval A9 comma P9. That is A10 is equal to A9 is equal to 0.640625 and P10 is equal to P9 is equal to 0.6425782. Next 10th iteration P10 is equal to 0.640625 plus 0.642572 by 2 is equal to 0.641616. F of P10 is equal to f of 0.641616 is equal to మొత్తం వాల్యూ ఎంత వస్తుందంటే 0.306007. This is greater than 0 since f of P10 greater than 0 and f of P10 greater than 0 and f of A10 less than 0. The root lies in the interval A10 comma P10. That is A11 is equal to A10 is equal to 0.640625 and B11 is equal to P10 is equal to 0.646016. 11th iteration P11 is equal to 0.640625 plus 0.6416016 by 2 is equal to 0.641113. Next f of P11 is equal to f of 0.61113 is equal to minus 0.301046. This is less than 0. Okay. Since f of P11 less than 0 and f of A11 less than 0, the root lies in the interval P11 comma B11. That is A12 is equal to P11 is equal to P11 value and 0.641113. B12 is equal to B11 is equal B11 is equal to 0.6416016. 12th iteration P12 is equal to 0.641113 plus 0.641016 by 2 is equal to 0.6413575. F of P12 is equal to 0.302480 greater than 0. Since f of P12 greater than 0 and f of A12 less than 0, The root lies in the interval A12 comma P12. That is A13 is equal to A12 is equal to 0.641133 and B13 equals to P12 is equal to 0.641357y. Next, 13th iteration. P13 is equal to 0.641133 plus 0.641357 by 2 is equal to 0.641235. Next, f of P13 is equal to f of P13 value ఎంత వస్తుంది అంటే 0.30717. This is greater than 0. Since f of P13 greater than 0 and f of A13 less than 0, the root lies in the interval A13 comma P13. That is A14 is equal to A13 is equal to 0.641173 and B14 is equal to P13 is equal to 0.642354. 641. Okay. 14th iteration. P14 is equal to 0.641133 plus 0.641235 by 2 is equal to 0.6411744. F of P14 is equal to minus 0.40164 less than 0. Since f of P14 less than 0 and f of A14 less than 0, the root lies in the interval P14 comma B14. That is A15 is equal to P15 is equal to 0.64144 and B15 is equal to B14 is equal to 0.64123. 15th iteration. P15 is equal to 0.64117744 plus 0.641235 by 2 is equal to 0.641249. Next, f of P15 is equal to 0.40277. This is greater than 0. Since f of P15 greater than 0 and f of A15 less than 0, the root lies in the interval A15 comma P15. That is A16 is equal to A15 is equal to 0.6411 and B16 is equal to P15 is equal to 0.641249. 16th iteration. P16 is equal to 16th. P16 is equal to 0.6411 plus 0.641249 by 2 is equal to 0.6411897. Next, f of P16 is equal to 0.5057. This is greater than 0. Since f of P16 greater than 0 and f of A16 less than 0, the root lies in the interval A16 comma P16. That is A17 is equal to A16 is equal to 0.6411744 and B17 is equal to P16 is equal to 0.6411897. Last iteration. 17th iteration. 17th iteration. P17 is equal to 0.6411744 plus 0.6411897 by 2. It is simplified as a 0.641181. Okay. The iterations P16 is equal to P17 is equal to 0.64118. Correct within 10 power minus 5. The root of the equation is 0.64118. Okay. లాస్ట్ మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి చూడండి. 17th ఇటరేషన్ P17 ఈక్వల్స్ టు 0.6411744 ప్లస్ 0.641189752 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ 0.6411821. ద ఇటరేషన్స్ ఇక్కడ P16 P17 రెండు వరుసగానే రిపీట్ అయినాయి, అంటే ఒక్కొక్క వరుసగా కాకపోవచ్చు. P16 is equal to P17 is equal to 0.64118 correct within 10 power minus 5. The root of the equation is 0.64118.